Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by selecting the object you want to control. This gives PowerPoint context. Open the Animations tab and launch the animation pane so you can see timing controls and order. Pick a suitable entry or emphasis effect from the gallery. You want something that matches your message. Once done, check the object appears in the pane. If not, reselect and add the effect. Make sure to name or recognize items so the next steps adjust the right animation. Now focus on timing details. This is where you shape pacing and emphasis. Select the animation entry in the animation pane and open timing or effect options. Choose the start trigger, on click, with previous or after previous because that determines interaction flow. Then set duration to control speed and delay to stagger multiple items, small values like 0. 5 seconds can feel crisp. Once adjusted, preview the slide to experience the rhythm and tweak duration and delay until movement feels natural and purposeful. Finish by refining and verifying how animations play together. Use preview to watch the full sequence and judge whether pacing supports comprehension. If elements overlap or lag, adjust duration, delay, or start settings. For polish, open effect options to add smooth start/end or repeat counts. Subtle easing improves perceived quality. Once satisfied, run the slideshow to confirm behavior in presentation mode. If animations misbehave, reset the object animation or clear, and reapply the effect to resolve stuck or out-of-order items.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.